Welcome back to Baum Grillinz. We're making
pumpkin seeds.
Oh yeah!
Woohoo!
Yeah!
Yep, you heard it. We're making smoked bacon pumpkin seeds. These things are gonna be awesome. They're gonna be so good. All right, let's carve into this, get them seeds out, and get this thing going. Let's do it. All right, we're about to just chop into this. Whew, man, this brings back memories. I remember being a kid and...
This is gonna take forever. Man, this is gonna take... Oh no.
Okay, now that we got our pumpkin open safely, we're gonna open it up and see what kind of seeds we got to work with.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of seeds. All right, let's get them seeds out of there.
First things first, we're gonna lay down some newspaper. Make cleanup a little easier. All right, now all we gotta do is just open it up and dump out our seeds. Easy as that.
That's not how it works. That's not how any of this works.
All right, now that all our guts are out of there, we're gonna go ahead and doctor this thing up and make it look nice. Okay, here we go. Let's light this thing up, show you guys. Baum Grillinz. Oh yeah! Alright, so we'll take them over to the sink here. We'll just rinse them off. Make sure we get all them guts out of there. Clean it up nice and good. Nice and good. Okay, so now that you got all of your pumpkin seeds rinsed off and you got all the guts out of there, lay them out on some paper towels and get ready to dry them. Now what I did is I dried mine overnight, and beauty of video is I have them right here. So I've got these all dried off. Make sure you just let them sit out overnight maybe to kind of dry off. What that's going to do is it's going to help with the roasting process. So okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to set these aside, and we'll get back to these once we get our bacon all chopped up. Okay, so we got some bacon here. We're just gonna dice it up into some small little chunks so we can throw it in there with our pumpkin seeds. All right, a little something like that. Got a nice mound of bacon right there. Who doesn't like that?
Bacon!
Okay, now let's get to going on our seeds. Okay, so we're gonna take our dried out seeds now. And what I've done is I've gone and melted some butter in the smoker. Let's grab that. Woo! That's some smoky stuff. Love it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna hit it with some Johnny's seasoning salt. Now this is stuff that I've used, well, since I was a child on mostly all of my pumpkin seeds that I've had. That's what I'm going to use. But you can definitely use a barbecue rub or anything else that you really like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up this butter with my seeds here. A little bit of a binder. You just drizzle that in there. Got about a quarter cup. I'm not sure how much I'm going to use. That's probably good right there. Very sticky now. Okay. So then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and hit it with the Johnny's seasoning salt. kind of do a little shake on there. Mix her up. Looks a little something like that. Nice and evenly coated. Looks good. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna throw our bacon in there. Just toss her in. Give that a little mixture. All right, now that those are all mixed up, got ourselves a little sheet pan here with some foil on it. We're just gonna go ahead and just toss that on there. No seed left behind. That's my motto. Okay, so those things are ready for the smoker. Now, I've got it set on smoke for now. I'm gonna do that for about a half an hour to see if I can impart any smoke in here. And then we'll probably crank up the temperature a little bit and really get a nice roast on these. Okay, so we're gonna take that grill up to 375. I think that's gonna be a better spot to be to roast these pumpkin seeds. Oh, they smell so good. I can just smell that bacon. I can hear that bacon. Bacon! What was that? I swear I heard something out there. Oh, no. I'm not creeped out about the dark and the full moon and nothing but the stars and creepy noises, and I'm all by myself. No. Back on! Okay, so I think they are just about ready. Well, actually, I kind of know they are because I've been trying some of them. All right, let's pull them out. Oh, yeah. Those things look good. That bacon is nice and crispy. All right, let's pull them out of there. Oh, yeah. Those things look so good. They're nice and toasted. Good and toasted. That bacon is so crispy looking. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is, well, there's a little bit of oil on them. I'm just gonna dust them with a little more. That way it's kind of on the outside. In my books, that's pumpkin seeds done right. That's right. Bacon, pumpkin seeds, salt, fat. All right, there you have it. Smoked bacon pumpkin seeds. Whew, man, these things, they have been tempting me all night. They smell so good. They look so good. Let's just try one. All right, we'll grab a pumpkin seed here and a piece of bacon. Down the hatch. Oh, that's good. That's really good. The bacon is super crispy. The pumpkin seeds are roasted just perfect. There's a bit of salt on there. I love the Johnny seasoning salt. It's so good. That's definitely a mix to try. Make sure you share this though, because I'm telling you, this thing will probably kill you if you eat the whole thing. You got all the bacon and the salt and all that. If you devour this whole thing, hey, I don't know. Better off just sharing it. Make sure you share this dish with a friend or with a party. This is definitely something you should try. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hey, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, send me one of those, and make sure you hit that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video or go live. All right, I will see you guys on the next episode. Baum Grillin'z out.